Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find watch later playlist on YouTube. First, in YouTube, if you want to add a video watch in your watch later folder or watch later collection, then you just need to click on save to playlist, or you can go with save to watch later. Also, you can just simply tap on this three dot button and then save to playlist, and here you will find watch later. Simply tap on it and it will save this video to your watch later playlist. Now if you want to find your watch later playlist, and then you just need to go through your account, then you just need to tap on your profile again at the bottom right corner, and in playlist section you will find like video or any other type video, and all of this is watch later playlist, which if you tap on it you will find all the video that are listed here that you have added to watch later or save that video in watch later playlist. That's how you can find watch later playlist on YouTube. That's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.